Palm Tuesday tip, we now have Westbarn range in stock. It's an eyebrow range. My favourite product are the brow pens. They come in 4 different colours and they're just beautifully fine and subtle. Then another product in the range is the pomade. The pomade is sort of a gel, but a pre-coloured gel, so you don't need to activate it or do anything. And you can use this quite nicely just to colour in with a spoolie your actors' hairs, and what that does is also set them. If you need to set this one, they do a product that's really good, and that's their soap brow product. What I didn't know is the prep mist actually activates this. It smells amazing. I think we've got coconut and peppermint in. They just smell delicious. You can go in with that and just set your actor's eyebrows, or come in and comb through facial hair. If you've stuck some facial hair on, you've got some beards, it just coats it in and puts it in place really nicely. Palm Tuesday tip.